Here is the supraorbital eyebrow approach, and here is the starting point, which is the McCarthy keyhole. The blue shaded area represents the appropriate targets for this approach. The red marks represent the bony obstacles which limit the exposure during this approach. The orbital roof limits the exposure of the medial part of the anterior cranial fossa. The posterior clinoid processes with the tentorium limit the infratentorial exposure. And here's the frontal sinus, which we have to avoid during craniotomy. So as you see, this approach may have some limitations. The first limitation is the frontal sinus. If the frontal sinus was large, it will hinder our craniotomy size and makes our approach very difficult to expose many lesions. The second limitation is the lesion that extends between the anterior and the middle cranial fossa. This part of the lesion is difficult to be get through this approach, and it's better to be excised through the standard terional craniotomy. The third limitation is the large olfactory groove meningiomas, as you cannot reach cephalad to the tumor to make good hemostasis through cauterizing its blood supply, because the orbital rim will prevent you from reaching cephalad.